not bad with one hand, and it's a really good practice to feel how the club is releasing back to the ball with our trail arm and our trail hand. Sometimes we can overpower the swing with our dominant side. For a right-handed player, normally that would be the right arm being a little bit too dominant, straightening or pulling the club back to the ball. So what this exercise does is it gets you really feeling like you're releasing the club pretty much straight away. It's not a delayed action where we get here and then try to do it, because it just doesn't work that way. Let's see if I can do another good one. It's a really good test for most golfers, this. Not quite as good, that one, but not bad. And what this is really teaching me, and it will also teach you, is the delivery of the club to the ball. Now, I'm not trying to do anything else other than set the club going back and then unset it coming back down to the ball. Now, when I say unset, you unset it straight away. You don't wait for it. Now, if I do a shot here where I have pretty much here fully loaded my wrists here, then my next goal is to undo it. Now, I know a lot of you will say, oh, well, it's casting, but let's investigate the cast. So I go here, just not a full swing. Now, if I cast it, which is this, but I now just stay here but unwind, you'll see it will come back to its neutral position, back to the impact pretty much as we wanted. Now, yes, I wouldn't actually hit it as far because I've undone the power prior to contact. But 99.999% of us, when we activate that, our body will respond accordingly. So you don't have to worry about the fact that, well, I'm going to cast it. Now, as I do that, you'll see my body is reacting to that. Let me do another one. And I'm just going to release straight away. I don't care if I miss it. I'm going to do it for the demonstration. So here. Now, I know a lot of you are probably swiped away by now thinking, well, that's not right. But until you go and actually try it, then you can't ignore it. You can't dispel it. Again, set and release. And release is straight away. It's not wait. Oh, too late now. You haven't got time to do it. You've got to do it in the window of opportunities, the change of direction from up to down. So again, a little bit softer this time, just test myself. So set. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Reasonable distance for a smallish swing, but I'm just setting, releasing. I see so many people who I teach, and they're hanging on to this for dear life. There's some kind of inner mechanism that just won't let them release. For me, it's a case of, well, let's see what would happen if I did release it too soon. Isn't that supposed to be wrong? Well, I don't know. I'm going to try it and have a little experiment and see what happens. And, oh, I'm hitting the ball much better. So why is that? And it's because you're delivering the club to the ball at the correct time rather than after the event. Set, unset. Simple. Let's try one. Set, unset. And I unset that here, not at the last split second. Again, release. Yes, I haven't moved my body, but release the club. Unset what you preset. As that's unloading, I'm rotating, and it delivers the club to the ball really, really nicely. Deliver the club. One more. Go and give it a try. Let me know how you get on. Leave me a comment. Like, subscribe, share, and all of those things. And until next time, thanks very much for watching.